Hello students, I hope you're safe and fine. Welcome back to our S.S.E.E class. We will be using the same book, that is MIE book part 2. So take out your book and be ready. We have been learning about objects and what they are made of. Let us do a recap about that. Follow on the board. Objects are non-living things. Read with me. Objects are non-living things. One more time. Objects are non-living things. They are made of wood, paper, and glass. So around us we have lots of objects. They are made of so many different kinds of things. We have metal, fabric, and so on. But right now you are learning about wood, paper, and glass. Spell wood with me. W-O-O-D, wood. W-O-O-D, wood. Now paper. P-A-P-E-R, paper. P-A-P-E-R, paper. And lastly, glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. Let us watch a small video about objects and what they are made of.
When you want to hammer a nail into wood, a hammerhead of metal is good. You need something that's hard enough to hammer out the metal stuff. Choose your materials carefully. Think about all of their properties. You wouldn't wear paper clothes in the rain, or use wood in a window pane. Let the belts bend easily, 'cause they have flexibility. And rubber's quite fantastic when you need stuff that's elastic. Choose your materials carefully. Think about all of their properties. You wouldn't wear paper clothes in the rain, or use wood in a window pane. Paper, plastic, metal and wood, glass, ceramics, cotton and wool. Fabric comes from fiber that's spun and woven into cloth worn by everyone. Natural wool and cotton, synthetic polyester and nylon. Choose your materials carefully. Think about all of their properties. You wouldn't wear paper clothes in the rain, or use wood in a window pane. Paper, plastic, metal and wood, glass, ceramics, cotton and wool. Choose your materials carefully. Think about all of their properties. You wouldn't wear paper clothes in the rain, or use wood in a window pane.
So as you all know, objects are non-living things. They are made of wood, paper, and glass. You have to copy this in your copybook. Now, who can tell me, where do we obtain wood? Where do we get wood? From trees. Very good. Where do we get paper? How do we get paper? Do you know? Okay, Miss is going to tell you how we obtain paper. Now you know where we obtain wood and how do we get paper. Who can tell me where we obtain glass? How is glass made? This is your research work. You find about it and then you're going to tell me when we meet. Now open your book on page 121. Question number 5. I complete the table with the words wood, paper, or glass. The first one we have chair. A chair is made of. Is it made of glass? No. Is it made of paper? No. Is it made of wood? Yes, it is made of wood. You have to write wood. Next one we have a book. A book is made of what? A book is made of paper. Very good. You write paper. Next one we have an aquarium. It is made of glass. Yes, glass. You write glass. And lastly we have table. A table can be made of wood and glass as well. So you can write both. Let us work it together. As you can see, chair is made of wood, book is made of paper, aquarium is made of glass, and lastly, table is made of either wood or glass. Now, question number 6. I answered the following questions. This will be your homework. Do some revision. You go and revise on plants and animals and then you attempt this question. Question number 1. How do animals obtain their food? So they obtain their foods either from plants or from other animals. Number 2. How do plants obtain their food? Plants, do you still remember? Plants make their own food. And lastly, why are wooden toys non-living things? Because they cannot breathe, they cannot grow, they cannot change, isn't it? So you do this question as homework, this exercise as homework. Revise on plants and animals first, that is living thing, non-living things, before attempting this question. You work it out in your books. Now take out your ruler. We are going to work out this activity on page 122. Question number 7. I match the pictures in column A with the correct answer in column B. Let us see column A first. The first picture we can see a cupboard. What is it made of? It is made of wood. Next picture we can see a book. The book is made of paper. And lastly we can see a bottle. The bottle is made of glass. Now let us read what's written in column B. Object made of paper, object made of glass, object made of wood. Now let us match. The cupboard, it is made of wood. So we have to match the cupboard with object made of wood. Next, the book is an object made of paper. You match the book with object made of paper. And lastly, the bottle is an object made of glass. Use your ruler to match. So this is how your work should be in your book. We have come to the end of our class Thank you for your kind attention. Revise the topic living and non-living things. And I wish you happy learning. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.